So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about succulents, because succulents are very trendy in offices at the moment. And why are they trendy? It's because they look fantastic. Look at them. And I've just got a few here, but there are 20,000 varieties of succulents that you can get hold of these days. The ones I've got here. This one's a Crassula portoluca. And these two here are Echeverias, which are absolutely stunning, aren't they? This one's an Echeveria pollux. Isn't it beautiful? And this one here is another Echeveria, an Echeveria Pearl van Nuremberg. How about that for a name to conjure with? And what is a succulent? Well, a succulent, they grow in arid areas, so desert areas. They've got sort of very well draining soil, sort of sandy, gritty soil, and a succulent has fleshy leaves, so they store their water in their leaves here. Okay, so they're all sort of fleshy leaves, puffy leaves. Okay, and they're very easy to look after. They need plenty of light. Think of the desert again. Plenty of light and plenty of warmth. And so what you've got to watch is if they keep, like this one here. You see this one here starting to grow towards the right, starting to stretch towards the light. You see. So you have to keep turning them. And then for watering them, what you do for watering them is you do the soak and dry principle. So what you've got to do is and I've got it ready here, you just give it a good soaking, like that. Good soaking. And then you pop it in its pot. Very important that the roots don't like water. So don't let the roots sit in the water. And I always say that with plants, you can kill them with kindness. So the more you worry about your plants, the worse it is in a way. You know, you've just got to know what you're doing about the watering, and then leave them. The worst thing you can possibly do is overwater.